Today, Tom is in the hospital. He's having most of his rotten teeth removed. What do you know that for the financial year, according to www.gov.uk, according to the financial year 2021 to 2022, there were 42,180 episodes of tooth extractions in the age range of 0 to 19. At the same time, according to www.gov.uk, it cost the health service £81 million for all extractions. That tooth decay is caused by when bacteria act on the sugar in the food to produce acid, and it is acid that attacks. Do you wish to have healthy teeth, healthy gums, and confident smiles? Then I'm going to share with you all the tips that you need to have it. Thank you. You know, it is very important to visit the dentist and the assistant regularly. Register as soon as. How could you have healthy teeth, healthy gums, and confident smiles? Brush twice a day with preferably a fluoride toothpaste. Limit sweet to meal times. Eat healthy. Try and cook your food from scratch and limit sweet to meal times. Thank you for listening and share the knowledge.